Good. Cock it. Back. It's loaded. Safety's off. It's ready to fire. Put it against your shoulder. That's on the. Okay, that's the trigger finger. Now you gotta look down the sight. Hold the trigger. Safety's on. See? Always gotta put the safety on and off. You ready? Look down the sight. Pull the trigger.
That's hard. It's hard to pull it.
Okay, ready? This hand here, that hand there. Okay, push your finger on there. Grab it. Pull the trigger.
Boom.
Hey, good job.
Did I shoot it?
Your first shot, buddy. You didn't shoot it, but
See,
you.
watch. See that can?
Yeah.
All right, your turn.
Can I do it by myself?
Yep.
Doing
Wait, hold on. Grayson.
It's on safety.
Here, go over here. Lean your arm right there. Lean your arm.
It's on safety.
That's fine. Just lean your arm. It's not on safety. It's ready to go.
I can't reach it. You gotta let me reach it.
Okay, reach it. Look down the sight.
Oh,
I shot it.
You
you did.
I shot it in the hole. I see the hole.
You did.
Whoa. Remember? Barrel always stays this way.
Oh yeah.
Let's do it again.
Jeff, that was amazing. Grayson, good job.
Okay, let's do it together.
Wait, let me aim.
We're gonna aim this way.
It's on safety. But now it's a reroll.
You ready to break a bottle? Get in here.
Let me shoot it.
Here, I'm gonna help you.
I'm gonna shoot it.
I'm gonna help you. Put your finger on it.
I can't. You're not letting me do it.
Hey!
You hit the can.
Wait, let's shoot it.
You did. You just knocked that can over.